Good morning students, welcome to new class. Today I am going to start chapter number 2, linear equations in one variable. What is linear equations? Studies linear equations, what is linear equations and how the values are found like x, y, z, m, y like that. Okay, in the previous class we studied about these linear equations very well, so here also we are going to do the same. Okay, so let us start exercise 2.1. Go to question number 1. Solve the following, that is x minus 2 equals to 7. The first question is x minus 2 equals to 7. So how we are going to see? So students, directly if you want to do directly also we can do that. Thus the x equals to 7, this minus, then it is plus, that is equals to 9. But we are not, you can do like that also, but you just do like this, that see how we are going to do. First you have to do, see here the question is, in the question it is plus or minus is there. What is written? That is plus is written, sorry, minus is written, minus 2 is written. So after putting this value from right hand side it will become plus 2. Yes, so it is minus, so we are adding to both the sides. Okay, because here it is minus, so we are adding both the sides, plus 2 and plus 2. So minus 2 plus 2 will be 0, so x value will be x equals to 9. Okay, in the same way go to question number 2 also. Okay, in question number 2 y plus 3 is there. It is also very same as first we had done. Y plus 3 is 10 equals to, y plus 3 equals to 10. So here it is plus 3, so what we will do, we will subtract both the sides by 3. So we are just subtracting both the sides. Plus 3 minus 3 will get the 0, then time minus 3 is 7, so value of y is 7. Okay, in the same way question number 3 is also done. What we have to do, we have to add, here plus 2 is given, so what we will do, we will subtract both the sides by 2, we will get the answer z equals to 4. In the same way question number 4 is also there. Now see question number 4, it is in fraction form, so how will you do? 3 minus 3 upon 7 plus x equals to 17 upon 7. So what we are going to do, if you will take this x this side, if we are shifting this 3 upon 7 that side, so it will become minus. Yes, so what we have to do, you have to subtract 3 by 7 on both the sides. So let us see here it is given 3 upon 7 x plus 3 upon 7 minus 3 upon 7 equals to 17 upon 7 minus 3 upon 7. So 3 minus 7 and plus minus 3 upon 7 will get the 0, so x will remain, x equals to 17 minus 3 upon 7. LCM will be the same because 7 is both the side denominator. So x equals to 14 upon 7, 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, so x will give 2. Okay, in the same way question number 5 also. See question number 5, what you have to do, question number 5 also, see what is written, 6x equals to 12 is there. So what we, if we are going to shift this number x equals to that side, that is 12 upon 6 will come, yes or no? So what we have to do, we have to divide both the sides by 6. Okay, okay students, so what will get the answer, 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12. Okay, yes or no? So we will get the answer, that is x equals to 2 answer. Yes or no? Yes, go in the same way. Now go to question number 2, sorry, question number 6. 6 also is very same. 6 is what we have to write down, question number 6 is t upon 5 equals to 10. What we have to do, we have to just t upon 5, 5 is down, means denominator. If we will shift this numbers right hand side, it will become, so we will just do the मल्टीप्लिकेशन. ये 5 अगर यहाँ पे जाता है तो वी विल डू मल्टीप्लिकेशन विद द 10. येस और नो? बट यहाँ पे क्या करना है, 5 को यहाँ पे भी मल्टीप्लाई करना है, बोथ द साइड्स विल मल्टीप्लाई, यहाँ पे भी 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. तो क्या होगा, ये 5 5 कट हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे 5 2 10. सो व्हाट विल रिमेन, जस्ट सी t value will be 5 equals to 50. Okay students, now see question number 7. Question number 7 is same as we had done here also. Here also what we have to do, we have to just shift, if we shift this number 3, it will become 18 into 3. So what we will do, we will just multiply both the sides by 3. So multiplying both the sides, we will get the answer 2x equals to 18 into 3. So after that what we have to do, if we have to shift in this side, so it will become divide. So what we have to do, we have to do the divide on both the side, that is 2x upon 2 and 18 upon 3 upon 2. 2 9 is 18. yes or no? ये कैसे करेंगे, जस्ट सी हियर, ये क्या है, 2x लिखा है, 2x upon 2 equals to 18 into 3 upon 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are हो गया. Then this 2 will come, so x will remain how much? That is 3, 9 3s are 27. So x equals to 9 3s are 27. So it will become 27. X value 27. Have you understood, student? Okay. Question number 6, 8 is also easy. Is as we had done this. Question number 7, question number 8 is also done. Just see how it will go. See here also what is written. 1.6 equals to y upon 5. We had to just shift the number y upon 5 to left hand side. If we'll shift, it will become multiply. So what we had to do, we had to multiply both the sides by 1.5 and 1.5. Therefore 1.6 into 1.5 equals to y upon 1.5 into this 1.5. This 1.5, this 1.5 will cut it. So what will be 1.6 into 1. So what will get the answer? That is 2.40. We'll get the answer y equals to 2.40. Yes or no? Question number 9 is also same as we had done here also. See question number 9, as see here, same way you can do question number 9 also. Okay. 7, see what we have to do. First we have to, this here plus 9 is, minus 9 is there, so we have to add both the sides by 9. After that what will get the answer? That is 7x equals to 25. Now 7x there, we'll shift the number 7. So what we have to do, we have to divide both the sides by 7. 7 will cut it down. So what will remain here? X equals to 25 upon 7. Question number 10 is also very easy, student. Here also minus 8 is given in the question. 14y minus 8 is given. So minus 8. So what we have to do? Add both the sides 8. So after adding the addition, so what will get the answer? That is 14y equals to 21. Now what we have to do? If here 14y, see here it is 14y equals to 21. तो क्या करेंगे? y equals to 21 upon 14 हम लोग डाइड भी कर सकते हैं, बट क्या करना है? दोनों साइड से हम लोगों को 14 से डिवाइड करना है. 14y ये हो गया, 14 से ये हो गया. यस, ये 14 कट, y विल रिमेन. नाउ 14 upon 21 को क्या करेंगे? वी हैव टू डिवाइड. सो हाउ विल यू डिवाइड? विल गेट द आंसर 3 upon 2. ओके, after dividing this numbers. Okay, question number 7 is very easy. Question number 11. Question number 11 and 12 you can do it by your own. Okay students, this is your homework, so do it properly, and if you have any doubt you can ask me. This one and this one will be your homework. Okay students. Okay, so copy all these exercises in your notebook. Okay students. Okay, here up to 12 we had completed this exercise 1.1. Thank you.